How to block friend on Snapchat. Let's begin with the video. First, start by opening the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Now swipe right on the screen to open the chat screen. You'll look through your chat list and find the friend you want to block. You can also use the search icon at the top of the screen to quickly find their name. Click on their profile to open the chat. Furthermore, click on the friend's name or their Bitmoji at the top of the screen. On their profile screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to open the option menu. To block a friend on Snapchat, select Manage Friendship, then hit Block. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Select Block again to confirm. Once blocked, they will no longer be able to see your stories, send you snap or message you. That's it. This is how to block friend on Snapchat.